So for today, we have a new cute game. I think cute and scary. We are going to play Dark Pulse, the first floor. Floor na naman. First floor. Sabi daw, magkakaroon daw to ng iba-iba pang chapter. Siguro similar sa Puppy Playtime. Pero this is the first floor. And I've researched na kaka-release lang niya May 1. So, sobrang fresh pa rin tong game na to. Kaya, samahan niyo akong maglaro, matakot at magulat. Let's go! Pahinga muna tayo sa mga sobrang creepy. Hindi naman na gusto ko yung parang pang kids na game pero at the same time horror siya. So, ayun. Start na. Start chapter. Ito yata yung pang-pew-pew natin eh. Oh no, cut. Oh no, time first. May gustong mag-say hi. Hello, I am Holly. Cute oh. Ilabas muna natin yung ating mga alagang makukulit kasi dadaan yan sa harapan ng desk. E to pick up. Oy! Oy!
Huh?
Ay, ang cute. Bug. Ay, sorry po. Ay, hindi natin chinek pala kung anong description nitong game. Dark Pulse. In this single-player mascot horror game, you're trapped in an abandoned children's asylum. Solve twisted puzzles with your ink blaster, evade its disturbing mascots, and uncover secrets you had long forgotten about. Do you remember? Baka doon ka lumaki. Ganun ba yun? Baka dito ka lumaki. Letter E to pick up. Uy! Ayun yung yung purpose ng blaster. Boy, gay, purple, favorite color. Favorite. Oh. Wait lang ah. Ay, nawala na yung purple niya. How can I get in? Ay, tinitignan niya ako. What should I do? May kailangan ba kong kunin? Paano buksan yun? Ito ba yun? Target. Ooh.
Let them dig on the low of the snow. Just round and round, yeah, round and round we go. Wee, the carousel's alive. Wee, the carousel's alive.
Welcome to Upward. You are about to enter a world full of new possibilities. Please bring along your favorite toy and obey staff at all times. Signed by signature. Wait. Panoorin muna natin to. Ay, same lang.
Let them dig on the low of the snow. Just round and round, yeah, round and round we go. Wee, the carousel's alive. Wee, the carousel's alive.
Wee. The carols. Ayun. Oh. A ticket for one, please. Naalog eh. Wala akong Mousepad. Ang mousepad ko ito. Tcharan! Anong tawag dyan? Cutting mat. Let's go. Crafter. 2-in-1 naman eh. Uy. Anong tawag dyan? Yung... Ooh. Yung nagdi-disintegrate na yung...
Welcome to a world of imagination! A world of hopes and dreams, a place your child will always remember. They will build, they will climb, they will never stop. Their hopes too high to ever drop. Because here at Upward, the only way is up.
Upward. Ayo, yung pew-pew. Huwag ka mahulog. Kailangan ko yan. Ano yung nangyari? May gagawin ba? What to do? Where should I go? Where should I go? Ano bang gagawin? Wait lang. Try natin yung isang rides. Ay, may run pala. Paano? Ayun! Ay, may enter. Ping! What to do? Pew pew! Ay! Aiming! Walang aiming, bro. Tapos na. Kailangan ba yun gawin? Or may nasira ako? May isa pa dito eh. Wait lang. Ano dito? Party popper. Shoot all the confetti balloons. Ah. Nawala. Saan tayo unang pupunta? Oh, shoot. Maganda yung ano nila, sound effects. Ano nang gagawin? Wala magawa. Try nga natin ulit. Kailangan ba yun? Ginagawa ba yan?
Woohoo! Congratulations! Grab your favorite toy and let the tour begin. Have fun, kids!
Ano nang gagawin? Ito nagawa na natin. Ito isa, nagawa na natin 2 times. Pwede na ba pumasok? Logo bells. I am friends. Oh, ay! Friendly ka ba? Ay! Hello? Anong insert? Insert where? Where? Dahil may nakuha tayo, mabubuksan na kaya ito? Hindi talaga. Ay, binigyan niya ba tayo ng daanan? Daanan ba to? Ayaw nga. Favorite niya yellow. Ay, sorry. Ay, color pala to. Cute. Ay, ang cute talaga. Baka kainin niya tayo. Uy, oh, may mumu. Nakita niyo yun. Pero wala na yun. Nakupo siya dito kanina. Nakaka-crouch ba ako? Ba't ang liit ko? Kid ba ako? Bantayan niyo mamaya nandyan yung aso. Ay. Slide. Lock pa raw. Pero papasok siguro tayo dyan mamaya. Wala tayong flashlight. Ay, yeah. No. Siya ba to? Ay, sorry, Badwits. Ay! Bakit pa atras, bro? Ginabol ba tayo? Ano ba yun? Ang hirap. Tada! To. May bago. Anong Wag daw. Anong gagawin? Ay, kailangan ko ba ng susi? Ngayon, ang dami na. Kailangan ko na ng paint. Paano? Oh, ay ganun pala yun. Paikot-ikot. Ha? Kailangan ba ng ibang paint? Paano mag-switch ng paint? Ito may painting. Bakit ayaw mo? Aha. Ayaw daw niya. May dalawang bukasan dito. Dito tayo. Ay, hindi. Opposite direction. Kada may nabubuksan tayong pathway. Naandar yung aso. Bala. Piyong. Naglalaway, baka gusto tayong kainin o ipit. Ito yung dragon ba kanina? Kulay blue. Kulay blue. Ano na mangyayari? Saan tayo pupunta? Dito balik. Puzzle nga. Oh, yun na open na. Ano bang kailangan natin dito? May isa nito ganito. Hala. Hindi natin wala na akong pang shield. Ay, oo nga pala, sumusunod. So, kalaban ba siya o gusto niya tayong ipit? Saan ka na? Uy. Ay, sumunod ka, tara. Kanina may nakita tayo dito eh. Ayun o, puyang. Asa na naman siya? Tara. Kaya mo yan. Let's go. Ang cute eh. Tara, papasok dito. Dali, maipit ka. Sunod ka lang. Tara, let's go. Dito. Ay, Parang yung nangyari nung umpisa sa may ticket booth. Yun ba yun? Ay, hindi. Dito sa harapan, yung may sunflower. May nalaglag galing dun sa bibig ng dog. Tapos yun yung nilagay sa pew-pew. So ngayon, ilan ba ang painting? May painting dito. Anong kulay yan? And then may painting dito. Pero ito, for sure, blue. Kasi may picture doon na reference na blue. Nagsara. Mali. Hala, saan dadaan? Baka gulatin tayo noon. Ay, hindi nga pwede. Saan tayo dadaan? Ito, blue. So, anong kulay nung isa? Red, ganun ba? Paano tayo lalabas dito? Opposite facing yung mga books eh. So, dito lang talaga. Ay. May jump scare na naman dito. So, yung isa naman dun. Baka gusto niya tayo ipet. O gusto niya tayong kainin. Eh, wala nga palang daan dun. Ano, dead end na ba ako? Walang pindutan dito eh. Ay, mali. Ito nga pala ulit. Baka susulpot na yung dog. Bagong ano, daanan.
Please be seated. The movie will start soon.
Uy, upo daw. Tayo sa gitna.
Welcome to Upward, where the only way is up. We offer a new hope for children who want to live a better life. Upward's a place where they become the best versions of themselves. It's a place of hopes and dreams. A place your child will always remember.
Ako sana siyang tumayo. Ayun na naman yung bunny. Ayun o, kanina pa yan eh. Pwede ba dito? Prepare correct film reel. Lubricate constraints, monitor for signs of excess stress, and raise subjects to infirmary. Subjects? Confirm subjects are in own beds. Ba't tawag nila sa bata? Subjects. Ay, asylum nga pala to. Kahit na. Kids don't deserve this. Kalaban ba? Walang pwedeng pindutin.
there, colleagues! Today's training covers how to monitor and correct subjects during re-education. A crucial lesson. Now, first things first, it's of utmost importance that children are properly seated and restrained. The last thing we want is those pesky little stinkers wriggling free mid-session and having to send Binky after them. But before we can engage the restraints, we need to make sure we've placed the right reels in the right projector slots. So grab today's assigned indoctrination reel and pop it right into the top slot. Next, always make sure there's an empty reel at the bottom slot. Film needs to go somewhere, doesn't it? With that sorted, engage the restraint lever and press play. Simple as that. From here, your only job is to observe and keep those eyes open for any patients showing signs of, non-compliance. And if you spot any unwanted behavior, notify a supervisor immediately. We don't judge here. We just correct. Happy brainwashing, everybody!
Brainwash. Ito ba yung reel? Oh, ito yung reel. Ay! Uy, tara! Ay! Bad words. Tara, uy. Dito nilalagay. Tara! Hindi ka ba susunod? Saan ko lalagay? Wait, tara na. Hindi kita pwedeng iwan. Lever, may nakita tayo dito kanina. Hindi ba to? Ito umiilaw.
Please be seated. The movie will start soon.
Ay, gagi. Sumabog. Saan na tayo pupunta? Anong gagawin?
Welcome to your new purpose. Upward is not a
Grabe.
choice. It's a solution. You are not broken. You are incomplete. Compliance is comfort. Resistance is inefficient. Every action will be observed. Every thought will be analyzed. And every response will be corrected. You will learn to play our way. You will learn to love. You will
May naiyak sa
perform.
background.
Submit. Conform. Consume. Perform. Submit. Conform. Consume. Perform. Submit. Conform. Consume. Perform.
Doon tayo galing.
Submit.
Saan na tayo pupunta? Doon sa kabila yung palabas eh. Talo? Hala, talo. Sprint na ba kasi to? Kailangan pumunta dito sa door. Oh, shit! Ayun na. Ayun na yung dugo. Ay, hindi dyan. Talon! Ayun, namatay pa din. Takbo, dalihan mo. Sayang. May bukasang dun. Ship, takbo, takbo. I-open. Ay, i-open na nga eh. Naka-hold na ako niyan sa sprint.
Submit. Conform. Consume.
Tapos mo akong habulin. Ano ba yan? Ito siya, ano siya, yung parang yung game na ipipindot mo yung sa ngipin, tapos snap, bigla. Sabi ni. Ito, di ba daw? Una. Tara natin. May combination ba to? Uy! Wait lang, sulat natin. Ito nga, unahin natin. Oops! Yun yung number 3. Chamba. Ayan na yung 3. Ano yung 4 natin? Best guess? May best guess kayo, guys. Harap. So, hindi na to. Alin ba yun? Hindi, mali. Hindi dilaw. Ito yun. Oops! Ay, 4 lang! 4 lang! Nakuha natin yung pang 4. Persistence is the key! Maganda yung music ah. Ay, pwedeng ipit! Ang cute naman ito! Laki-laki! Ay! Hala, para siyang naiyak na isa pa ulit. Pit ulit, pit! Pits! Gusto mo, pets? Ah, pwede pa ipit. Ay, kawawa naman. So, ano natin siya? Pet. Pet ba natin siya? May friend na tayo. Okay, hanapin na natin yung pew-pew natin. It fell somewhere here. Ay, open na. Open na, pero wait lang. Mag-search muna tayo dito. Ito yung sa cinema. Ayun o, masaya lang siya o wala nang masakit sa ngipin niya. May i-collect pa ba dito? Ano yung kadiliman na yan? Ba't lagi itong ano? Ay, kada ata nare-reset ako dun sa ngipin. Lagi siyang ano, mawawala sa inventory ko. So, kailangan ko siya i-retrieve. Uy, cute ugo. Cute ugo. May bago tayong nabuksan na area. Ay, asan nga yan? Boys dorm. Upward. So, may nakita tayong ganito. So, kukulayan uli natin yan. Ayan o, pang kulay. Paano kunin? Boys dorm? Ba't nandun? You are here. Ay, piu-piu ba? Ay, piu-piu pala to. Ito piu-piu game. Oh, yo! Ah! Ay! Oh, shit. Oh, shit, bro. Oh, shit. Shit. Pew pala to. FPS, bro. Bang. Let's go. Monsters. Oh. Tapos na. Nag-enjoy. Anong kulay ito? Anong kukulayan natin? Anyway, kahit ano pala eh. Kahit ano pala kasi sasabihin naman niya kung saan. Masaya yun ah. Masaya ka ba? Uy, wag. Hindi ka pwede mahulog. Kailangan ka sa lahat. Paano papasok? Boing. Ay, okay. Sorry naman. May isa pa palang game. Kasi, yung kulay blue ay I assume the blue kasi yun. Yung kulay blue. Hala, may flashy bigla. Wala to dito eh. Yung kulay blue, puro yung kulay blue eh. No? Asan yung gamit ng blue? Gamit ng blue. Asan yung paint na blue? Wala ba itong laman? Ala, yung ano ko. Meron uli. Hala. Hindi ka pwedeng maiwan. So, empty, ganun. Kailangan lagyan. Uy, sumama ka. Minsan gumagalaw ka, minsan hindi. Ang weird mo din. Dito ka talalagay para madali kitang makakita. Ay, hindi mali. Ba't ayaw umakyat dun sa ano? Sa may bangko. Ayan, dyan ka na. Dito ka. Shung. Ayaw niya. Dito na lang. Pero wala obstacle. May kalaban na dito. Uy! Hello! Warning. Dog needs belly rub. Mamaya na natin ang balikan. Dito pala. Oh, shoot. Tubalsik tayo, bro. In real life. Dragon's Lair Moon Tower. Sobrang liit ko ba? Parang puro tingala ako. Ayun o, meron na naman dun o. Ayun siya o. May collectibles pa dito. Oo nga. Hindi yung maabot. Ano ba yun? Yun, may ship yung talon tsaka may in real life buwelo. What? Uy, muntikan pa. What to do up here? Ano gagawin dito sa room na to? Saan pupunta? Ay, kasi meron doon ano eh. Ay, bitin. Talon eh. Ay. Ayun, finally. Kaya kanina nung nasa baba, nagtatas tayo sa baba nitong mga kulay-kulay ng dragons. Sabi ko na may pathway dito sa taas eh. Kanina talaga, kahit kaninang umaga yun. Pero kanina pa rin naman yun. Yun na. Beware of other half. May mapa. May interact. Come on!
fearful. Just get them to open up and conform.
Bakit nananakit? Bad yun, spanking. That's so bad. Nakikinig naman siya eh. Si Binky. Big baby Binky. Ayun na naman oh. Yung usok lang tapos ano, may yellow na drawing ng mukha ng bata. Alalalalalalalalala. Kalaban ba yan? Hindi yata. Pag namatay, ulit na lang. Up, up daw. Up, up. Baby na may bibig sa tiyan. Tapos may chupon yung ulo. Up, up daw. Matulog daw tayo.
Sleep tight. Tomorrow there will be light.
Tap, tap. Tap, tap daw. Tap, tap. Hold to pick. Kinakain niya yung chupon niya. Ay, okay. So, buti nga hindi natin binuksan yung mata. Uy, pew pew. Blaster. The purple blaster. Ano nga uli? Dito tayo nang galing. Wala na bang collectibles? So, parang hindi naman siya kalaban. Sarado ba to kanina? So, hindi tayo makakaakyat dyan. Dito na tayo. Pagka mga hallway, feeling ko ano eh. Habulan. Playpen nila. Ano ba yun? Aeroplano ba yun? You are the shit. Tingnan nyo yung labas. Ah, ito yung ano, yung merong statue sa gitna, parang garden, ganyan. Diner.
Hello, kids! I used to make omelets, but today we make a very special cookie. I wrote a song so you can sing along and hope we don't get it wrong. Ha ha! Here we go!
Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
He bakes cookies like nobody can.
Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
He bakes cookies like nobody can.
I have a cookie I baked last night.
Just get all the ingredients right.
I have some fruits and sweetness.
Ah, magluluto ba tayo?
Make it right and you won't swell.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Like nobody can.
Hey,
Kakampi ba si Binky? Yung dog din, hindi ko pa sure kung kakampi.
Cookie I baked last night. Just get all the ingredients right.
Wait lang, may yung music masyado. Music volume, naman pa natin.
I have some fruits and sweetness as well. Make it right and
Ay,
you
lapit daw dun.
won't swell. La 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 la. Easy kick. La 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 la.
Ahing.
Easy kick. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody
Find the
can.
ingredients.
I have a cookie I baked last night. Just get all the ingredients right. I have some fruits and sweetness as well. Make it right and you won't swell. La 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 la. Easy kicks. La 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 la.
Sunod ka lang, ha?
Easy kicks. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can.
Sabi, wag daw magkamali sa
Cookie I baked last night.
sa
Get all the ingredients
ingredients, pero wala namang clue.
right. And sweetness as well. Make it right and you won't
Ito
swell.
na naman tayo sa mga combination.
La la la. Easy kicks. La 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 la. Easy kicks. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Hey, it's
Hindi pa.
me, it's
So, pagtapos ba to?
He bakes cookies like nobody can. I have a cookie I baked last night.
Ay, ito na naman yung ghost, oh.
All the ingredients right. I have some fruits and sweetness as well. Make it right and you won't swell. La 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 la.
Banana.
Easy kicks. La 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 la.
Ano yung sa babae?
Easy kicks.
Tingnan natin yung posters. Banana sa monkey. Siya, yung isa, chocolate ba yun? Ano yung sa babae? Ah, pwedeng base. Ang ano? Okay. Saan ang chocolate?
Easy kicks. La 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 la. Easy kicks. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. I have a cookie I baked last night. Just get all the ingredients right. I have some fruits and sweetness as well. Make it right and you won't swell. La 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 la. Easy kicks. La 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 la. Easy kicks. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
Kasi na yung piu-piu ko, ba't hanggang dyan ka lang?
Hey, it's
Hoy.
me, it's Omelette Man.
Diyan ka lang ba? Tara.
Cookies like nobody
Ayaw niyang sumama.
I have a cookie I baked last night.
Natamad siya.
Get all the ingredients right.
Okay. So, ano yung sa babae? Ano to?
Right and
Berry.
swell. La 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 la. Easy kicks. La 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 la.
Ayun uli yung mumu.
Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes
Chocolate
cookies like
saka
nobody
berries.
can. I have a cookie I baked last night. Just get all the ingredients right. I have some fruit
Ito, ito.
and sweetness as well. Make it right and you won't swell. La 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 la. Easy kicks. La 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 la. Easy kicks. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man. He bakes cookies like nobody can. I have a cookie I baked last
Saan ang chocolate?
Ingredients right.
I have some fruits and sweetness as well.
Make it right and you won't swell.
La 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 la. Easy.
From the Sea Bakery. Veggies.
Easy kids. Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
Chocolate bar yun eh.
Makes cookies like nobody can.
Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
He bakes cookies like nobody can.
I have a cookie I bake
Just get all the ingredients right.
Parang hindi tayo dyan.
Easy kids.
Ay, meron na nga pala tayong chocolate. Blueberry pala yung nanap natin. Tingnan.
Easy
So,
Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
He bakes cookies like nobody can.
It's me, it's Omelette Man.
hello!
He bakes
May nakita
cookies
kang
like
blueberry.
nobody can.
Hey, it's me, it's Omelette Man.
He bakes cookies like
So,
nobody
probably
can.
nandito kasi nandito yung strawberry,
Just
banana.
get all the ingredients right.
I have some fruits and sweetness as well.
Make it right and you won't swell.
La 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 la. Easy kids. La 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 la. Easy.
Try nga natin uli dun sa taas.
It's Omelette Man.
He bakes cookies like nobody
Pag wala, baka dun talaga sa may creepy na area.
He bakes cookies like nobody
Ito! Hindi pala kailangan pumunta sa creepy area. Tapos, papasa na. O kakainin.
Make it right and you won't swell.
Bagala lang natin, nahihirapan siya sumunod. Dapat kasi pwede na lang siya sa shoulders ko.
It's like nobody can.
Yung pagka-idle siya, pag di siya gagamitin, dapat nasa balikat na lang siya.
Nobody can.
I have a cookie I baked last night.
Just get all the ingredients right.
I have some fruits and sweetness as well.
Make it
Ang cute oh.
right and you won't
Meron kayong merch na ganyan, may plushie kaya. Ayan, tanan nyo, meron ng interact.
like nobody can. He bakes cookies like nobody can.
Ah, mali yung chocolate natin.
Ingredients right.
Pero tama yung blueberry sa banana.
Right and you won't swell.
Dito ka muna, mahirapan kang maglakad.
Just get all the
Ay, hindi. Mali yung chocolate na pinili natin. May option pala.
make it
Ayan oh.
right and you
White chocolate. Kinuha natin yung dark chocolate.
bakes cookies like nobody can. He bakes cookies like nobody can. Just
Happy-pew uli. Bagay. Ay, di ko naman yun kasalanan. So, ito uli.
like nobody can.
Hindi pa may ilaw eh.
Just get all the ingredients right. Make it right and you won't swell.
parang nagagalit siya na parang friend siya na parang hindi. May dede. May poison. Wala na tayong control na naman. Ay, meron na uli. Ano to? Panaginip? Hindi ko makontrol. Ay! Pasok! Hindi naman tumatalon. Ay! Diretso dali! Nako! Nako! Ang bagal ng karakter mo. Ay!
Sleep tight. Tomorrow,
Dali!
there will be light.
Saan tayo dadaan? Ay! Yun na yung sprint eh, oh. Tingnan mo, nagdalas. Sprint na to. Sprint na to, oh. Hold na ako sa ship. Sprint na to talaga. Mas mauna pa yun sa akin. Tingnan mo. Oo, diba? Mauna yan kasi pagbubuksan niya ako ng pintuan eh. Takbo dali.
Tomorrow, there will be light.
Ay! Focus, focus, focus! Let's go! Ito na yun. Ito na yun, no? Ito na yung pinakamabilis. Kailangan niya mauna kasi siya magbubukas sa pintuan. Asa na yung mga paa? Asa na yung footsteps?
Sleep tight. Tomorrow, there will be light.
Ah! Ano habulan uli? Pusa na lang gumagalaw eh. Uh-oh. Nananaginip pa rin siya. Ano nang gagawin natin? Ang dami nangyari. Ang kitang vanity oh. Yung pew-pew natin. Yung blaster na wala na. Hindi na ba kailangan yun? Paano to i-open? Nang walang blaster. Ay, putik! Habulan na naman! Ano ba naman yan? Hindi na naubos! Talo, dali! Ang bagal mo! Ayun na, ayun na. Okay, okay. Ready na. Paggalaw na, dali. Paggalaw na, go. Go, go, bro. Naka-sprint na to, ah. Naka-sprint na to. Naka-sprint na to. Naka-sprint na. Naka-sprint na lang. Takba! Ayun na. Let me move! Let me move! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go for your life! Run! Fucking run! Jump! Talon! Dalihan mo! Letter E! Letter E! Tayo! Ay, hindi na. Nabara! Uh-oh! Hold to sprint na naman. Checkpoint na ba to? Kapagod. Ano sabihin meron pa? Lalabas yun bigla. Ay, mangolekta daw nung nung bilog kasi lumabas yung prompt. Yung prompt ng bilog. Anong bilog yun? CD ba yun? So, ito na ba yung girls' room? Baka tumabas yung prompt kung wala naman yung CD. Pasok na tayo dito. Nag-loading. Ba yan? Kailangan pala mabilis dun. Evi, puro Let's go. Sprint to sprint. Go. Mabot. malocate kung nasan siya. Pagtawid, talon, kanan. Wala na yung cute part nitong game na to eh. Ito na yung nakakabuisit na abulan eh. Roar! Roar! Takbo! Takbo bro! Ay! Ano na? Eh, pares kami nahulog. Tayo! Tayo! Hindi makatayo. Oh, shoot, 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 shoot. Hala, papi! Hello! Tago dali! Tago dali! Tago dali! Tago dali! Hala, kawawa. Sinapak yung aso. Salbahe. Sige, go! 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 Kailangan, paano siya tulungan? Piu-piu-piu, hindi tumatalab. May gagawin. May gagawin. Naglalaban lang sila, bro. Ayun, ayun, ayun. May umiilaw pa ba? Ayun na, may umiilaw. May umiilaw. Piu, piu. Yung papi, dali kawawa. Talo na! Ala, naipit yung tsupong niya. Kawawa yung ano, yung malaking si Binky, yung chan niya lang yung mali. Tapos na ba? Meron nang ano yung credits eh. Nakasurvive tayo. Oo daw. Si Blaster, nakasurvive kami ni Blaster.
Welcome to the second floor, kids. Are you ready to submit?
Second floor. Next chapter. We did it! We beat the game! Kawawa si Binky. Yung chan niya lang yung monster eh. Pero siya mabait siya. Tinulungan niya tayo. Pati yung papi nasa pakpa. Kawawa naman. Ang laki-laki. Hello, Blaster! Ayun, natapos natin yung chapter 1 ng Dark Pulse. Super gusto ko dito is yung graphics. Tsaka alam kong medyo kids-inspired siya. So alam niyo naman, gusto natin yung creepy pero cute na games. And mostly talaga graphics eh. Wala ka masyado in-expect sa ano, sa challenges, sa problem solving. Talagang gusto ko lang siyang laruin dahil cute siya. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We are going to play yung next chapter nito kapag lumabas na. So, bye!